Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're a camera enthusiast or someone looking for a solid all-around mirrorless camera, the Panasonic Lumix S5II X might just be what you're after. In this video, we're going to break down its key features and see if it lives up to the expectations. Let's get into it. The Panasonic Lumix S5II X is a full-frame mirrorless camera that targets both photographers and videographers looking for a versatile tool. Sitting between the S5II and S1H, the S5II X offers a more refined package with some notable upgrades. Let's take a closer look at what sets it apart and what you should know before considering it for your next project. First up, the S5II X comes with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor. It's designed to offer great image quality with impressive dynamic range. This sensor is paired with Panasonic's new autofocus system, which is a big improvement over previous models. The addition of phase detection autofocus, PDAF, means faster and more accurate focus tracking, especially useful when shooting moving subjects or in challenging lighting conditions. Next, let's talk about video performance. The S5II X supports 6K video recording at 24 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, both in 10-bit color depth. This gives you plenty of flexibility in post-production, especially for projects that require high-quality footage. It also features advanced video codecs like ProRes 422HQ, which is becoming increasingly popular for professional workflows. One of the standout features is its in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which helps to smooth out handheld shots. This makes it a solid choice for shooting in dynamic environments or when you don't have the luxury of a tripod. Whether you're filming an event or shooting some B-roll, the IBIS ensures that your footage stays steady. Another notable feature of the S5II X is its connectivity. It has a full-sized HDMI port, which is great for professionals who need to hook up to external monitors or recorders. Plus, the camera supports live streaming via USB, making it a useful tool for content creators who want to broadcast directly to platforms like YouTube or Twitch. Battery life is also a plus, with the S5II X using the same battery as the S5II. Expect around 370 shots per charge, which is decent for a camera in this class. It's not the longest in its category, but it should be enough for most shoots. To wrap it up, the Panasonic Lumix S5II X is a strong contender in the mirrorless camera market. With its solid image quality, 6K video capabilities, reliable autofocus, and impressive in-body stabilization, it's a great choice for both stills and video. If you're looking for a camera that balances both without breaking the bank, the S5II X is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera reviews and gear breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.